High-quality white finish aluminum construction installs easily into most aluminum sash window styles. Minimum sash window height requirement is 15.0625. Locking rigid flap is made of unbreakable clear Lexan to allow pet to see through opening and is non-toxic for added safety. Recommended for pets 2 to 25 pounds. Manufacturer warranty does not apply to product purchased through Amazon warehouse deals. Need assistance? Email Ideal Pet Products expert US-based customer care specialist 7 days a week. 27 SWDCK specially designed for sash windows and comes with a spring-loaded locking slide and clear vinyl flap on standard plastic pet door models or a 4-way lock and unbreakable Lexan flap on cat flap and chubbykat door models. Features adjustable width 27 to 32 and minimum sash window height requirement is 15.0625. Top reviews from the United States. Works well. This bed door was easy to install. The plastic door is fairly firm and takes a small bit of effort to push. I had one cat who learned quickly the trick of getting in and out. I had a second cat, who disliked having to push the door with his head. He could do it but wasn't happy about it. I had to force him to use it for a couple of weeks by refusing to let him in through the people door. Sometimes we actually gently pushed him through. He did finally learn to use it on his own. He still prefers the people door, but he will go in and out the pet door no problem. And I am happy to know the cats come in when it's either too hot or too cold for them, and we are not home to let them enter.